Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So my name is Noreen. If you haven't come and subscribe, if you haven't checked my channel, you should come check my channel out. I do like lots of different kinds of videos, so I hope you guys enjoy. So in this video, I'm going to be trying out weird kitchen gadgets. So I bought 7 products from Wish. I only received 5. I'm going to be trying out just the ones that I've received. So I thought I might do a video on trying out weird kitchen gadgets and see how they go, if they're useful, if they're going to be useful for me later on, or maybe they are not like useful that much, or they were under $10. They're not that much expensive, they're pretty cheap. So I thought I might do a video on trying out some kitchen gadgets, and I hope you guys like this video. Comment down below if you're new, come subscribe, and let's get in the video. So the first thing I got is the fruit and vegetable slicer. So what you do is you put a tomato or apple or anything like that in here. So you put it together, and what you do is you just cut it between the lines, and it makes all the slices the same. So I tried this out and let's have a look. So I tried it out. I used a tomato and I just got a knife and sliced in between the lines there, but it wasn't that much like stable. It was pretty hard to cut right through the tomato, so it didn't cut very well. I don't think I would use this one often, probably never. So I will give this a 0 out of 10. The next thing I got is a watermelon cutter. What you do is you get the watermelon and you just sort of pull it, and it's supposedly with this thing it cuts it and makes a shape, and it cuts through the watermelon. So let's have a look how this goes. So when I used this, it was pretty hard for me to grab the whole watermelon. Pretty much it is good to use. Like, I wouldn't say it doesn't work, but it's pretty hard to get the whole watermelon. You still have to, because there's still like watermelon left. It doesn't cut through the whole watermelon. After you've cut the pieces of watermelon, you still have to get the rest of the watermelon that's still left behind. So I mean, it is useful. I mean, it's a useful thing to have. But yeah, I'll probably give this one a 4 out of 10. Okay, the next thing is the 3-in-1 avocado like slicer cutter thing. So I tried this one out. It doesn't really cut the avocado that well. It does like, so it was very hard for me to cut out the avocado using the knife. It's a plastic knife, so it's not that much sharp, so it's not going to give like a proper cut. But for this one, when it was pretty easy for me to take the seed out, but once I used this one, I kind of like scraped out the avocado, and it didn't really cut that well. It didn't do that. The slices was pretty poor, so I probably wouldn't use this one. Not that much like great to use, so I might as well just do like the proper way. I'll give this 3 out of 10. Okay, so this one is a stainless steel like soaper. So what you do if you're cutting like, for example, onion, and once you've washed your hands, the smell is still on your hands, what you do is you just grab some soap, just cover it with the stainless steel soap, and just wash your hands like together. And the button is supposed to be get the smell out, so I tried that, and I did with the onion. It did work, so it got the smell out pretty well. I couldn't really smell any of the onion on my hands. I'll probably give this 10 out of 10. I'll probably use this quite a lot when I'm doing like cooking or something, and I'm using onions or garlic or something like that, and I can just wash my hands using this one. So this is the antibacterial sponge. So what I've done with this one is just put some soap on it and just wash it with the chopping board. So I thought this might be useful to wash on the chopping board, because you can get a lot of stuff stuck in there like when you're using it quite often. So maybe probably I can use this for washing the chopping boards and stuff like that. So it's pretty good. I would say this would be like 5 out of 10. So that was all my weird kitchen gadgets which I got from Wish. So I thought I might do like a testing video. If you guys enjoyed this video, comment down below, come subscribe, give it a like if you like this video, and I hope to see you guys in the next week's video. Bye.